So we have got the polyline with the help of this direction model. Now let's decode the polyline. So we will go with a function inside write request provider, and it's going to be decode polyline and update polyline field. Okay, so first we will go with polyline points, and here we'll go with polyline points equals to, let's import, I think so we do need to import something. Is there some kind of typo? Polyline points. Okay, it's good. Okay, there is something we do need to import here, but it's not showing up. Why is it so? To make sure that our polyline points work, so that we can decode the polylines, we have to add this package into our PubSpec. So let's have a look. So let's have a look onto it. We will add Flutter polyline points in our PubSpec. Okay, let's come up here. So we have to import polyline points. Let's go here, installing, and we'll copy this and paste here. Okay, so we have initialized the variable polyline points. So next we will clear up this list. Copy, paste dot clear, then polyline set dot clear. Then we will go with list of point lat long, and here it's going to be data equals to polypoints dot decode polyline, and it's going to be direction details dot polyline point. So we have to add a null check here. Okay, so next we have to go with some logics. If data dot is not empty, for then we have to go with a for loop for var lat long points in data polyline coordinate list dot add, and here it's going to be a type of lat long. Here it's going to be lat long points dot latitude, and it's going to be lat long points dot longitude. Okay, then next we will go with, so the if thing it's done, we will come out of if polyline equals polyline, and here we have to go with a id. So let's make it strip polyline. Okay, so here it's not going to be a string, const polyline id, and we have to pass the string here. Let's go with color, and it's going to be black. Then comes a point. Let's import this one. Okay, points, it's going to be polyline coordinate list. Join type, it's going to be join type dot round. Width, it's going to be 3, that is the thickness of the polylines. start cap, it's going to be cap dot round cap. Then end cap, it's going to be cap dot round cap, and comes up geodesic, it's going to be true. Okay, now let's go with a semicolon. So why is the argument type polygon id can't be assigned to a polyline id? Okay, here it's going to be polyline id, and here we'll go with cons. Okay, so we have initialized the variable polyline. Now let's go with the log polyline dot, let's not go with the log. We have a tons of log function, log statements. Polyline set dot add polyline. Okay, now we will notify listeners. Now we want to notify the listeners. Yeah, that's all. Now let's create pick up and drop icons. Okay, so here we will go with create icons, and we will go with checks if here we do have car icon, destination icon, pickup icon. So let's start with pickup. Pickup icon for map equals to null. Then we will go with image configuration. Image configuration equals create local image configuration. Here we'll go with context comma size, and it's going to be const size 2,2. So I think we didn't have past build context here. It's going to be build context. Okay, so the size, it's going to be 2,2, and we'll end this. Next come up bitmap descriptor dot from assets image configuration, it's going to be image configuration, and the asset name is going to be the location of the asset. So here it's going to be assets slash images slash icons slash pickup dot png dot then. So after like we have loaded this icon, then what we gonna do? Then here comes up destination icon from map. Okay, it's not going to be destination, it's going to be pickup icon for map equals to, yeah, instead of value, let's make it icon. Notify listeners. Okay, let's end with a semicolon, and here we do have. So we will copy paste, and let's make it for drop. Let's have a look onto the variable name destination icon. Okay, it's not drop, it's destination. And here instead of pickup, it's going to be drop. Okay, destination icon from map. So let's come up here, assets images icons drop png pickup png. Okay, pickup, it's going to be png, drop, and then png. Okay, so we will again copy this. Now it's time that we check for car icon for map, and here we will go with vehicle car. Okay, not this one. Yeah, map car. Here it is. let's come up here, map car, copy path, and let's paste it. Okay, assets, let's change the direction of slash here, and yeah, we're good to go.